Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about these file encryption tools, which is NordLocker. So let's dive into it. So talking about NordLocker. NordLocker stand out in 2025 as a secured and user-friendly file encryption tools. Its biggest strength has strong zero-knowledge encryption, cross-platform support on desktop and mobile, and the ability to store file either locally or in the cloud. It's simple to use with drag and drop file protection and encrypted sharing that makes keeping sensitive data private easy even for non-tech users. For anyone prioritizing privacy and security, NordLocker offers a peace of mind with industry-grade encryption that ensure only you can access your file. On the downside, NordLocker does comes with limitation. The free storage is very small, sync can be slow or buggy, and some user report issues with large file upload. Unlike other storage provider, it lacked advanced features like file versioning, selective synchronization, and a stronger recovery option, which might be frustrating for business or heavy user. So while it's excellent for privacy first individual, those who need speed, flexibility, or collaboration tools might find better option in services like pCloud or sync.com. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.